I'm 25 years old. I finished my 4 years course in Bachelor of Elementary Education. I'm a single parent with one son, which is 4 years old now. My previous salary here in Philippines is not enough to support my son. That's why I applied for domestic helper in Singapore to look for a greener pasture to give my son a better education. I worked before in a plastic company, but for now, I'm not currently working. I can do housekeeping, especially cooking, and I'm also love to handle children or baby. I'm hardworking person, have a long patience, and of course, I'm an honest person. I'm looking forward to work to an employer who can help me and guide me, and I will